Before we start the installation, always put the safety first. Turn off the light's 15 ampere circuit breaker. Remove the 2 screws and washers, and slightly loosen the 2 screws to remove the mounting bracket from the canopy. Grounding wire. Attach the metal bracket to the ceiling, with a metal furring inside for a firm and durable attachment. Use a size 1/2 metal drill bit. And attach the mounting bracket with a toggle bolt or wing bolt. Fold and insert the wing bolt into the hole, and tighten with a screwdriver. The fan motor housing assembly. Insert the downrod into the canopy. Insert the wires inside the downrod. Insert the downrod into downrod yoke. Install the crosspin through the yoke. Remove the clamp pin from the crosspin to pull the cross pin out the downrod. Loosen the 2 yoke screw before inserting the downrod into the downrod yoke. Insert clamp pin into cross pin until it snaps into place. Tighten set screws in yoke. Carefully lift fan assembly onto mounting bracket. It is line-to-line connection. Connect the black wire and blue wire to the line one. And the white wire connect to the line 2. Connect the 2 green wires as a ground and then screw the canopy into the mounting bracket. Engages the ridge of the mounting bracket. Attach blade brackets to blades using the blade bracket screws, washers, fabric washers and nuts. Attach blade assembly to motor using the noise dampening, motor gaskets and motor screws provided. Tighten screws securely. And this is the light kit. Attach the Molex plug from the fan to the Molex from the light kit, and attach the light kit to the switch housing plate using screws provided. Install lights bulb. Tighten the two screws, holding the frosted glass cover of the lights. Assemble decorative fob and extension chains. From hardware bag to fan pull chains by inserting end of chain into chain coupling.